There you go. T-post. Wow, they're like $5 now or more, depending on where you live, for a 6-footer. These are 6 foot. That enables you to put a 5-foot fence up. So yeah, these are straight. Neighbor didn't need them. They're putting up a pipe fence. And what I got here is, you see, when they're original and new, they're a little bit green, and they got a white tip. Now, a lot of my fence posts have at least four of the little tips sticking out, and so I taped it off. I painted some of them yesterday like this, and you can see where I ended it right there. Just want to make sure you saw it. And then I've taped this one off to finish the green up. But here's what it looks like. Undo this tape here, and you got to wait a day, or what happens is the white it bleeds in. Look at that nice defined line. That's going to look good for a while. Yeah. So instead of buying them for $5 plus, I do have an ag exempt for things like this, but tax on $5 is, 40 cents. So it all adds up. So anyway, great neighbors to put up a pipe fence like mine, and I need these for cross fencing to keep these goats in. Yep. Mamas are dropping kids. I've gotten 7 in the last month and a half. So they got to have some privacy, some little isolation, so they can grow and not get beat up. Hey, thanks for following my channel. Appreciate it. Yeah, that old tractor, someday I'll just rewire it. It will start up, and but you got to coax it and you got to jump wires, so it needs a whole new harness. Nice little Ford 8N, and that's a little Model A trailer. It's got a little banjo axle underneath there. It's kind of cool. It's going to go behind this tractor. Just something that looks cool, old. All right, appreciate you. Thanks for checking them out.